Government umwaka gw'2020 karekura abakume bo musinga bamwe babire bakwasurwe ubwo musinga wa Rwenzururu House wezere mu mbere umwaka gw'2016 abaho kurwanaga na hagati y'obusinga hamwe na government.
And the Honorable Minister, they had spent around 5 years in prison. Coming back home, where to start from is a problem.
The problem of Uganda, it is not lack of money. Okay? Na sente butuzileta, it is being abused. That is the problem.
Minister bwa nyuma yo kuvugana habebembezi ba Busongora North muri Kasese agumize mu yazo mu district ya Bunyanga bahaye hanangiriza abo bona batongera sente z'emyoga kwegendesereza.
He spends money on alcohol every day. So when you calculate the bottles, zanwete for a year, uja kumenya sente zikuna pichi.
Harriet natkundo ryo mu bici wa women entrepreneur nagira ngo sente z'emyoga ziva ya mbere munonga.
Baitu byoteriza sente zim leito twatandikiraho buko butwabere twineho twatandikiraho abamu twayega kole byengaro twayega no kora business ezindi
uyagala kugaga wala yene waka sarawo otandike business ekuwasente buli luji simuli mwezi simuli wiki but every day.
Jesho Masereko RDC wa district ya Bunyanga bawe nagira ngo tubari icyerezo mukozi wa government we no rwenda kubaremeza.
You are an extension staff, let me say like in agriculture, and you just stay at a sub-county, you don't want to move and teach the farmers. You are a veterinary extension staff, you don't want to go and look at the animals of the people.
Minister hendira kugira ngo abakora isege sente z'emyoga nibija kongerwe izindi miliyoni 20 gasha kwa Gilbert Muhanguzo muri Kasese.